Grade 7, Unit 7, Healthy Habits. Lesson title: Writing a short paragraph of an essay about their family's eating habits. Learning objectives. Use with some support, style and register appropriate to a limited variety of written genres on general and curricular topics. Link with little or no support sentences into coherent paragraphs using a variety of basic connectors on a range of familiar general topics and some curricular topics. Today, in the lesson, we will learn to write a short paragraph about your family's eating habits. We are starting our lesson with warm-up. Task 1. Complete the proverbs with the correct word. Apple, hunger, medicine, loaf, eat, appetite. Let's check. Eat to live, but do not live to eat. Your food is your medicine. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Hunger is the best spice. Half a loaf is better than no bread. The appetite comes with eating. Let's revise the vocabulary. Task 2. Match the words with their definitions. 1. To depend on. 2. To affect. 3. Condition. 4. Mood. 5. Leisure. 6. To mention. 7. Overall. 8. To pick. Let's check. 1. D. To be decided by. 2. E. Influence. 3. C. The state of something. 4. H. Feeling. 5. A. Free time. 6. F. Speak briefly of. 7. B. Taken as a whole. 8. G. To choose something. Now let's start the main part of our lesson, writing a short paragraph about eating habits of my family. Listen and read the model text and match topics 1, 4 with paragraphs A, D. My family's eating habits. In my family, we love good food. Every day my mom cooks delicious breakfast, lunch and dinner for everyone. In the morning, my mother cooks sandwiches with eggs and ham for me and my brothers. We drink milk too. At lunch, we eat chicken with rice, tomato salad and bread. In the evening, we like to eat soup, potatoes and salad. After dinner, we drink tea with cookies. We don't like eating hamburgers and sausages. Let's check this task. A. Topic sentence. B. Supporting sentence. C. Detailed sentences. D. Concluding sentence. At the end of our lesson, I propose to do a fun quiz.
Welcome to the Healthy Unhealthy quiz. Which one is unhealthy? Is it olives, honey, or hamburgers? Yes, you're amazing! Hamburgers are unhealthy! Which one is healthy? Are they eggs or cake? Or is it candy? Yes, eggs are healthy! Wow! Which one is unhealthy? Is it chicken or fish? Or is it a donut? Yes, you're amazing! Donuts are unhealthy. Which one is healthy? Is it a lollipop? Or meat? Chips? Yes, you're amazing! Meat is healthy! Well done!
Now let's look at writing guide. It helps you with your homework. And the home task. Write a short paragraph about your family's eating habits. Now the lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you next lesson.